Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. Question number 3. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. So we have two equations once again. The first one is 3x minus 5y equal to 4 and the second equation is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. As we are going to solve this pair of equation by elimination method, so we should eliminate either x or y. For this, we have to equate the coefficient of either x or y from both equations. So on multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get 9x minus 15y equal to 12, and the second equation is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now we eliminate x as we have equated the terms which contains x. For this, we have to subtract these two equations, and on subtracting we get minus 13y equal to 5 as 9x terms will be cancelled out, and we get the value of y as minus 5 by 13. On putting this value of y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1, and as we proceed we see that the value of x becomes 9 by 13. So finally we get the value of x as 9 by 13 and the value of y as minus 5 by 13. So this method is called elimination method. You can solve such questions from this exercise like this. Now the number 4 of question number 1. The equation is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, and another equation is x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Now we are going to solve this equation by elimination method. Now we have equation 1, that is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, and the second equation we have x minus y by 3 equal to 3. First of all, let us simplify both of these equations into standard form. So on simplifying equation 1, we get 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 as equation number 3. You can see on the screen. Similarly, on simplifying equation 2, we get 3x minus y equal to 9 as equation number 4. Now from equation 3 and equation 4, we can see that the coefficients of x are already same. So we should eliminate these terms from both the equations. For that, we have to subtract these equations. I mean equation number 3 and equation number 4. And on subtracting, we get 5y equal to minus 15 and y as minus 3. So we have got the value of y as minus 3. Now we put this value of y as minus 3 in equation number 3 or any one of the equation. We get when we put this value in equation number 3, we get 3x equal to 6 and finally x equal to 2. Now it's time to exercise some word problems. So this is the question you can see on the screen, that 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Let us solve this question by using the elimination method. First of all, let us frame the equations by using informations given in the questions. For this, let us consider the present age of Nuri as x years and age of Sonu as y years. Now by using giving informations, we can frame equations. As we know, the present age of Nuri is x years, so 5 years ago her age was x minus 5, and of Sonu it was y minus 5, and we can frame equation like this: x minus 5 equal to 3 into y minus 5, as it is given that 5 years ago the age of Nuri was thrice the age of Sonu. So we can frame equation x minus 5 equal to 3 into y minus 5, and finally on solving we get the first equation, that is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Similarly, it is also given that after 10 years the age of Nuri will be twice of the age of Sonu. So similarly we can frame equations x plus 10 equal to twice of y plus 10, and on solving we get the equation number 2. You can see on the screen, that is x minus 2y equal to 10. Now on subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, as the coefficient of x is same in both the equations, and on subtracting we get the value of y as 20, as you can see on the screen. On putting this value of y as 20 in the equation 2, we get the value of x as 50. So we can say that the age of Nuri right now is 50 years and the age of Sonu is 20 years. Now we have the next word problem, that is a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Let us consider the fixed charge for the first 3 days is rupees x and the charge for each extra day is rupees y after the fixed charge. So we have two cases, one is for Sarita and the second one is for Suji. So as Sarita kept the book for 7 days, that means 3 days plus extra 4 days. So for the first 3 days she paid rupees x, and the 4 extra day she paid rupees 4y, and the total amount she paid as it is given in the question, that is 27. So the equation will be x plus 4y equal to 27, as you can see on the screen. Similarly for the Suji, she kept the book for 5 days, that means 3 days, the first 3 days and the next extra 2 days. So the equation will be x plus 2y equal to 21. Now we are going to solve the equation by elimination method. So we are going to subtract these two equations to eliminate x, as the coefficients of x are same in both the equations, and on solving it we get the value of y as 3. On putting this value of y as 3 in equation 1, we get the value of x equal to 15. So we can say that the fixed charge for the library was rupees 15 and the charge for each extra day is rupees 3. So dear students, in this video we have discussed few problems of exercise 3.4. It is expected that you will solve the rest of the questions from this exercise. In the next video we will discuss exercise 3.5.